Students, today I will discuss with you the basic proportionality theorem. In this theorem, the statement is that if in a triangle ABC, a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, means DE is parallel to BC, then this line divides the other two sides in equal ratio. Means AD over BD equals to AE over EC. This DE divide AB and AC in equal ratio. So we will start with this. It is given that in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. And we need to prove that AD over BD equals to AE over EC. Construction is we will join these B to E and C to D, and we will draw perpendiculars EN on AB and DM on AC. So we will start from here. To find these ratios AD and BD, we will take the triangle ABD and triangle BDE. Two sides AB. On this side AB, there are two triangles ADE and BDE. So we will find the area of these two triangles by using the formula half into base into height. So now first we will take triangle ADE. In this triangle ADE, because EN is perpendicular, so area of triangle ADE equals to half into base into height. Here base is AD and height is EN, so it is half into AD into EN. Now we will take the triangle BDE. Area of this triangle will also be equal to half into base into height. Now here base is BD and height is EN. Because this is BDE is obtuse angle triangle, and in obtuse angle triangle the perpendicular will be outside the triangle. So now these are the two areas of this triangle ADE and triangle BDE. Now what we will do, we divide this area. Now area ADE over area BDE. So area of AD is half into base into height, half into AD into EN, and this is also half into BD into EN. So if you see here half and half, EN they cancel each other. So we are left with here area ADE over area BD equals to AD over BD. So let be this equation 3 here. Now we will take the second side. Second side is AC, where this DM is perpendicular on AE, and we are two triangles now getting here ADE and CDE, where we will find the area of triangle ADE, which equals to half into base into height. Now here in this case base is AE and height is DM, and in triangle CDE again base is CE and height is DM. So area of these both triangles, triangle ADE equals to half into A into DM, and area of triangle CD equals to half into base into height. Now we will find the ratio of these again. Now area ADE over area CDE equals to half into AD into DM plus half into EC into DM. Now here half DM will cancel each other, so we are getting AE over EC. Now from equation 3 and 6, if you see here area numerator, in the numerator we are getting area ADE. One time EN is perpendicular, second time DN is perpendicular. So area of this, because this is the area of same triangle, so it will remain same. But in the denominator we are getting two triangles. One is triangle BDE and second triangle is CDE. So these two triangles are on the same base DE and between same parallel DE and BC. So area of these two triangles BDE and CDE will be same, as both are on the same base and between same parallel. So we will write here, because triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on same base which is DE and between same parallel DE and BC, so their areas are equal. Now if you see the equation 3 and equation 6, which is in the ratio of the area of triangles, So the numerator here, ADE over area BD equals to area ADE over area CD, because numerator is already given. These are equal because this is the same triangle, so numerator or area or numerator are equal, and the area or denominator we have calculated, we have proved here that these are also equal. So it means the ratios are equal now. So we will substitute the values from here, that from equation 3, 6 and 7. Equation 3 is area AD over area BD equals to AD over BD, and equation 6 is area AD over area CD equals to AE upon EC, and we have proved that these areas are also equal. So these ratios of area are equal. That's why this AD over BD equals to AE over EC when we substitute the values. So this way we will prove that in a triangle, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then this divide the other two sides in equal ratio.